Now, we know what Janet Yellen is going to say about the economy and interest rates, and now we've just been allowed to release it. Adam, Shapiro, what are the highlights from Janet Yellen's speech, please?
The key here is it's a dramatic speech which appears to be a message to President Trump and the administration that Janet Yellen does not want to change Federal Reserve policies or regulations. She poses the question, have reforms gone too far, resulting in a financial system that is too burdened to support prudent risk-taking economic growth? She answers the question saying the balance of research suggests the core reforms we have put in place have substantially boosted resilience without unduly limiting credit availability or economic growth. And here is a key quote that reinforces what the chair is saying. Our more resilient financial system is better prepared to absorb rather than amplify adverse shocks, as has been illustrated during periods of market turbulence in recent years. She goes on to say that there may be benefits to simplifying aspects of the Volcker Rule, which limits proprietary trading by banking firms, and to reviewing the interaction of the enhanced supplementary leverage ratio with risk-based capital requirements. She also says that credit appears broadly available to small businesses with solid credit histories, although indicators point to some difficulties facing firms with weak credit scores and insufficient credit histories. And finally, she says that credit may be less available to some borrowers, especially home buyers with less than perfect credit histories and perhaps small businesses. But if you're looking for two key messages out of this speech, just to repeat the answer to her question about have reforms gone too far, she says the balance of research suggests that the core reforms we have put in place have substantially boosted resilience without unduly limiting credit availability or economic growth. There's no hint of an interest rate increase in this speech. There's no hint of when the unwinding of the balance sheet might begin. What there appears to be in this speech is a message to lawmakers on Capitol Hill and possibly President Trump that if you're going to reappoint me, don't expect me, if I accept reappointment, to change the regulatory structure at the Federal Reserve.
Okay. Adam, thanks very much indeed.